Gavana Siaya James Orengo seweche maliekore ni teko mar nuklia mowinjore oketi e kaunti no nyalo kelo midhiero ne jodak ma alwora no. Orengo mane loso e kinde romo manokelo kanyakla jodito mag duol mar Nuclear Power and Energy Agency (NUPEA) onyono piny ni teko mar nuklia ni kod teko kod nengo ka ipimo kod teko mamoko ka bende ok orach kendo ok onyal rocho ngima. Okoni pinje mathoth e Afrika oserwako kendo tiyo kod teko ni e timo gik modhuro manyayo dongruok. Jotelo mag NUPEA manochopo e romono bende nosingo ne jo Siaya ni teko ni ok bi keto ngimagi kama rach kama ibiro e kinde ma jopiny bende kaunti no bende medo golo paro mopogore opogore e wi teko ni eri mar nuklia.
There about what nuclear power plants are all about. What is clear is that nuclear power plants are safe, and nuclear energy is safe, and it's not just in the power generation space. It's into technology, it's into science, it's into nuclear medicine.
Nuclear energy is very stable. It doesn't depend on weather. It is fairly safe. As the governor said, there is in fact the safest energy source in the world if you go by the number of accidents and persons who have died from these accidents in the last almost over 70 years.
It has to go through one, public participation, and even the experts. This thing, from where we sit, we are seeing that it is something that somebody has, there's more that meets the eye. So I would say that from my perspective, yeah, the governor has done the biggest mistake of his life.
Wasilete kama sisi wakaji wa huku wajatufunza na tujue hii kitu ni nini na uzuri wake ni nini. Tunataka kujua kwanza, tujue advantage, disadvantage na